Convey your dislikes simply and clearly. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to focus on how to use the word dislike in simple sentences. By the end of this video, you'll be able to express your aversions clearly and correctly. So, let's dive right in. First, let's understand what dislike means. Dislike is a verb and it refers to a feeling of not liking someone or something. It's less strong than the word hate, but it still shows your aversion or lack of interest in something or someone. Here are some examples. I dislike broccoli. They dislike waking up early. She dislikes going to crowded places. Notice that when we use dislike with a third-person singular subject, like he, she, or it, we add an s at the end of dislike, as in, she dislikes going to crowded places. You can also use dislike with an infinitive verb to express your aversion to a particular action. The infinitive form is the base form of a verb, typically preceded by the word to. Here are some examples. I dislike to cook. We dislike to study late at night. John dislikes to drive in heavy traffic. Remember, in case of a third-person singular subject, we use dislikes, followed by the infinitive. You might also encounter situations where dislike is followed by a gerund. A gerund is a verb ending in ing that functions as a noun. This structure is quite common in English. Let's see some examples. I dislike eating fast food. She dislikes reading horror novels. They dislike playing chess. Notice how each sentence uses dislike or dislikes, followed by a gerund, an ing verb. And that's it. Now you know how to use the word dislike in simple sentences. It's a great way to express your aversions or preferences. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try making your own sentences using what we've learned today. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep practicing your English. We'll see you in the next video.